Welcome to a captivating journey through the life of one of history's most iconic figures, Leonardo da Vinci. From his early days as a curious artist to his groundbreaking scientific discoveries, this video explores the remarkable life and mind of da Vinci. Born in 1452 in Vinci, Italy, Leonardo da Vinci showcased exceptional talent from an early age. Renowned for his artistic brilliance, he created some of the world's most celebrated masterpieces, such as the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. But da Vinci's genius extended far beyond art. Da Vinci was an insatiable learner, constantly seeking knowledge and exploring diverse fields. He delved into engineering, anatomy, architecture, and astronomy. His curiosity knew no bounds, leading him to dissect human cadavers to study the intricacies of the human body, an act that was both ground. One of da Vinci's most fascinating attributes was his ability to merge art and science seamlessly. His sketches and notes reveal his visionary inventions, including flying machines, underwater breathing apparatus, and even a rudimentary tank. Da Vinci's designs were far ahead of his time, inspiring. But da Vinci's legacy isn't limited to his artistic and scientific achievements. His unorthodox thinking and relentless pursuit of knowledge made him a true Renaissance man. He believed that to truly understand the world, one must observe it with a keen eye and an open mind. Da Vinci's famous notebooks are a testament to his inquisitive nature, filled with sketches, observations, and cryptic writings. These notebooks provide glimpses into the mind of a genius. They reveal his fascination with the natural world, as he meticulously documented his observations of birds' place. Another enigmatic aspect of da Vinci's life is his association with secret societies, such as the Order of the Dragon and the Priory of Shin. Some speculate that da Vinci was entrusted with guarding ancient secrets, including the Holy Grail, while the historical accuracy of these claims remains debate. Despite his renowned success, da Vinci was plagued by personal demons. His perfectionism often hindered the completion of his projects, and he frequently left works unfinished. The famous painting, The Adoration of the Magi, remains an incomplete masterpiece, showcasing da Vinci's constant striving. As Da Vinci grew older, he found solace in sharing his knowledge and mentoring aspiring artists. Among his notable students was the young and talented Raphael, who would later become one of the most renowned artists of the High Renaissance. Da Vinci's teachings and principles continue to inspire art. In 1519, at the age of 67, Leonardo da Vinci passed away, leaving behind a legacy that would shape the world for centuries to come. His relentless curiosity, groundbreaking inventions, and timeless artworks continue to captivate the imaginations of people around the globe. Leonardo da Vinci, a man who embodied the spirit of discovery, blending artistry with scientific inquiry. His remarkable life serves as a reminder that in the pursuit of knowledge, there are no boundaries. As we reflect on his legacy, let us be inspired to embrace our own curiosity and create wonders. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more intriguing information about history, science, and the wonders of the world, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Information Finders. We upload new videos regularly to quench your thirst for knowledge. Don't miss out on the opportunity. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of Leonardo da Vinci. We hope you found this glimpse into his world intriguing and inspiring. Remember, the power of a curious mind knows no limits. Until next time.